I am Balachandran. I'm the mentor of Bangalore Spartans team for season 3 of Tennis Premier League. This kind of league is superb for the tennis players of India because each match is different. There's a lot of situations where they have to handle, they have to play under pressure. So every point is so important. So this format makes it so interesting, and it's not the tie you win; it's the points you gain. So every point for the every match becomes vital. My role as a mentor was even more interesting because I got to help the child or the player stay in the moment and try and play each point to their best without letting their head down or without getting carried away. Our TPL Plus team, Bangalore Spartans TPL Plus team, won the title today in the TPL season 3. So I'm very happy for the players and juniors. They had a good interaction with the TPL senior players. Senior players are Jeevan Nedunjarian, Sriram Balaji, and Sabina Sharipova. So we have a very balanced team. We didn't make it to the finals or win the title this year, but we had all the potential to get there. Our TPL Plus team had Vineet, Kandavel, Rishika Sunkara, Abhaya Vemuri, and Yannick Nallod. So we had a good team with players who had very good attitude, which helped me as a mentor to take them along during the course of the competition. So I'm very excited. I enjoyed the league, and I think we should have these leagues every year, and it should grow bigger and help more players from the country. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Jeevan and I play for the Bangalore Spartans. We just concluded the third season and I had a fantastic time playing for Kapil Javeri's team. We had a very good atmosphere. The best part about the Tennis Premier League was getting to spend time with all the younger generation players, also getting to meet all my colleagues on the Indian tour here at the end of the season. There's so many great things about the TPL, and especially being a part of the Bangalore Spartans means you're going to have a lot of fun. Definitely not short of any of that with this team. So I'm very happy to be a part of this new format in the future of Indian tennis in league tennis. I hope to be back again next season. And once again, I really want to thank our team owners for making the time not only to host our team but also coming out and watching our matches. Felt really great to play in front of such great fans, and I hope you guys out there enjoyed watching the matches. I also had a great opportunity to spend time with Mr. Balachandar, who is my childhood coach. He was the mentor for our team. So all in all, just a fantastic week of tennis. Very happy with the way things turned out. Unfortunately, we were not able to make it to the Final Four, but we fought for every point, and we know we will keep doing that in the future. Hope to be a part of this league and this new format of tennis for many years to come. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rishika Sunkara and I'm a part of the Bengaluru Spartans team for the Tennis Premier League. Me along with my teammates, that is Yannick Nallod, Vineet, Abhaya and Kandavel, we won the Tennis Premier League Plus today, and it was a great experience. Our owner Kapil Javeri has been very supportive, and we're really happy to give him this win, and I wish that we continue this format every year, and it's really good for the Indian tennis fraternity because we all come together and have a great week and enjoy tennis with good competitiveness, and as a family we're really happy to get together and play tennis together. Thank you.
Hi, this is Yannick Nallod from Bengaluru Spartans team from the Tennis Premier League held in Bombay. Me and my team, that is Yannick Nilod, that I played the 35 plus category. Then we had Rishika Sunkara, who played the women's category. And we had Vineet, who played the men's category. We had Abhaya, who played the girls category. And we had Kandavil, who played the boys category. And we won the Tennis Premier League 2021. It's a great feeling, it's a beautiful event that really inspires players and gives it a lot of meaning for the players nowadays to compete, especially after the COVID situation. It's been tough times for everybody, and a platform like Tennis Premier League boosts the confidence of the players. I'm very happy about the event. Bengaluru Spartans, that is owned by Mr. Kapil Zaveri, has won the TPL Plus event, and we were very glad about this event, and we hope we can perform similarly next year as well. I would wish all the players congratulations who have played in this event, all the pros, all the youngsters, everybody, the parents, the staff. I mean, it was a great job done. Kapil has been a great owner to the team. He's been a great support all through the event. A big thank you, big shout out to him as well. I wish that these kind of events happen more often in India, so young players and aspirants can continue their journeys in the sports life. Thank you so much.